My parents, Tony and Monica, they moved here originally from Hong Kong to the Mississippi Delta. They owned a little grocery store. They worked 7 days a week. They were never home to enjoy their house. So we felt now that they're retired, they need a home where they can enjoy it.
So their budget's $215,000. That can go, I mean, we can get a lot for that. All right, so this is the Giger house.
Yes.
It's 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, about 1,800 square feet, and it's listed for $100,000.
So let's see, how can we warm things up a little bit?
Oh, wow.
With just some small changes.
Little touches.
We want to paint the shutters and remove these on the big bay window in the
I think
living room. Replace the front door, replace that vinyl siding, and then an update on the landscaping. So it's not honestly a ton that we would change on the outside.
It has good bones.
Yeah.
It's a good living room.
Living room looks good, and that's why I think we should really start with the kitchen.
Good place to start, Erin.
It's not a bad kitchen.
No.
We really think you would just want to do like an aesthetic update in here.
Yeah.
We're hopeful that if we could pull up this tile on the floor,
That would be awesome.
we would find this wood or that wood underneath and refinish the wood. Keep the layout of the kitchen, bring in new stone countertops, probably a darker color, and paint the cabinets a lighter color, give you some higher contrast knobs and pulls on new door fronts, new drawer fronts. And then here, I think it would be good to close off this door that could be Nana's bedroom, and then you just modify these cabinets, add in a little section here, and you could have your microwave built in there, update the appliances, update the lighting, and it's a whole new look.
Yeah.
Right over here
Okay.
is where it starts. If there was like a barrier,
These
something
doors
that,
are such a great wall option.
imagine if this was a real wall.
Yes, and we built a sitting room for your grandmother, so it's kind of like her own little den, her own
She would love
living
that.
room right there.
Yeah.
Which that would be great because she spends most of her day watching Chinese soap operas.
Volume 100.
We'll give you a little extra insulation in this.
Okay.
Soundproofing.
I think she
Yeah.
would love it.
Yeah.
The entire renovation for all the rooms would be $95,000, so you'd be all in at $195,000.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so we're under budget.
Coming in under.
A little bit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
We want to show you another house too, though.
it's a very different style.
Okay.
But it could function in the exact same way.
Better be
Yeah.
different.
It's different.
This is the Brazil house. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,640 square feet, and it's listed for $130,000.
So we need to scrape and paint the exterior, paint it this light, kind of a jade green blue, and then replace these iron columns out front with stained wood columns and a new stained wood handrail, a new front door that feels more architecturally appropriate, remove the shutters, and update the landscaping.
These are in really good
these
shape.
are nice.
Yeah, if you saw this room with fresh paint that was clean, and you had new window dressings and a new light, you would feel good about this room. So that's all I would do in this room.
Okay.
I want to talk about your parents' bedroom suite.
Okay.
Right this way.
All right, so Nana's room would be at the end of the hall, and then this is a bathroom for her.
Okay.
But your parents' bedroom would need some figuring.
It's a little small, a little cramped.
What if this hallway we walked down to get to this room, if it ended, if it were a dead end, and this door would be an opening into a big closet. And then the closet that's existing right now, if we stole that and gave it to the bathroom,
Okay.
so
I
the
see.
bathroom could then become twice as big. And you could have a big walk-in shower, a double vanity, toilet tucked away. So the bathroom would be much bigger. And then to access the bedroom, we would have to open up a doorway there into the dining room.
Yeah, so to do all that would be about $25,000.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's talk about the kitchen.
Yeah, this color palette actually inspired the plan for the exterior. Honestly, it's a good layout. It's a small kitchen.
Yeah, it's a little small, but
But they don't need a huge kitchen,
No, they
right?
don't.
If we took out everything you see here, you get rid of the tile floors and refinish the wood that we're pretty sure is underneath.
okay.
And remove this cabinetry, get all new cabinets, all new countertops, but we build in the refrigerator into the cabinets on the left side. Keep the sink where it is, have your oven and hood vent on this wall, lose the wall oven so you'd have pantry storage there, and then we would open up this cased opening so you would have better visual of the dining room from here and a peninsula. It'd be like bar seating, more casual for like when your kids come over.
They
the
would
kids-
love
for the
that.
kids.
Yeah, kids love to sit at the bar
Yeah,
to
Claire
eat.
loves climbing on things.
Yeah, exactly.
So you'd be all in at $215,000.
We plan to discuss the house situation and which house they've chosen. Y'all been talking about houses. Have you picked
Nonstop.
one?
Yes.
Yeah, so we decided on the
Gigger house. Yes.
Yes. Did you show your parents pictures and videos or?
Nothing.
Nope.
All right, guys, I want y'all to know that explaining this situation to Tiffany and Justin without the blueprint to look at
challenging.
was very challenging.
Well, it's just challenging with the blueprint to look at.
Pretty wild.
It is. I mean,
So-
we're doing a whole lot
Yeah.
with this one room.
3.
Oh,
Hey, oh, look at those pretty floors.
okay. Back at the house, we've got the drywall up and the shower's ready for tile.
Oh, wow, look at this room.
It's gonna be nice.
This is a bathroom now.
Right.
Tiffany's parents, Monica and Tony, are coming home tomorrow. I wish they could know what it was like before so they could fully absorb how much better I think it is now.
Welcome to the Lee house.
Oh, that looks so good.
Oh, look at the door.
Oh my
Wow.
goodness, the colors. They are gonna love this.
They are. I'm glad all the landscaping's gone except for the palm tree.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's perfect. The door really
Yeah.
makes it.
The front door feels like it changes the most to me.
I think so too. That's gonna let in so much more light.
Yes.
Yes.
How's the truss meter?
Ooh,
You know, my arm can't bend that far.
So we're off the meter.
Yes,
we're
you're
not
off
even
the
in the
meter.
house yet, guys.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. I
Perfect.
can't wait to go in.
Yeah, you're not gonna believe the inside.
I can't wait to see.
Take a look.
Come on in.
Oh my
Oh, wow.
goodness. The floors.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow. Oh my goodness. I just have chills right now. I love all the colors
All
and
of it.
everything is just so bright and fresh. This is exactly what they would want. It's exactly what I want. And the
Literally.
floors.
This is what was under the tile.
Wow, these are beautiful.
Yeah.
It's really hard to believe that these are the cabinets that were here. It was just about paint and adding hardware.
And we've got the high contrast hardware.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
perfect.
So everything's easy to see.
They are gonna love this. Now this is definitely a little more modern, like One Direction boy band and not.
Yeah.
Yeah. Different boy band.
In the
Oh
dining
my
room.
goodness!
This is nice.
The lighting,
Yeah.
Wow.
so much brighter in here.
There's a dining room now.
Yes.
Instead of just a random, long, empty room.
Yeah, dark
Yeah.
room.
There's a better flow.
It feels like you can breathe better
It's
in
going
this
to be
house.
so many family dinners here. Whoa.
Oh, whoa.
Oh wow. This is perfect. What is this?
Oh, my goodness. Oh,
Oh wow.
You were talking about how you have 2 chairs and a refrigerator
right.
out on your back porch
On our,
and house.
Yes.
on our back porch. Tony
Yes.
loves it.
So now he has his own. This is a Mississippi cypress. It was cut in the Delta. He's got his own little refrigerator.
This is
Can't believe it.
amazing.
So when you're over here working in the yard, Tony can be out here barking orders.
He's got good sight lines.
Yep.
I don't see him leaving that porch ever.
Ever.
I
He'll be
don't.
out there all the time.
I see you hanging out on the porch a
Yeah,
lot.
it's a total
probably.
upgrade to my setup at my house.
We might need to update ours some now.
Yeah.
Y'all want to go see Nana's room?
Yes.
Let's see what's behind that wall.
Okay. Oh wow. This is her own little nook with the brightness from the window and the lights. This is perfect for her. Oh my
Her
goodness.
own little space.
Yes. Oh my goodness. I love this. This is perfect. It's so cozy.
It gives her more of her own private space.
Yes, this is so
Definitely.
great. The creepy windows are gone. Oh my goodness.
wow.
Oh my
This
goodness.
is great.
They are going to be so excited.
Wow.
This is perfect. I'm just so happy for them, and they are going to be so happy. This is what they've deserved, what they wanted and needed.
You said they have lots of stuff they need, lots of storage.
Yes.
So big closet here.
Big closet.
Okay.
Another big walk-in closet will be in that bathroom. Okay, I really want your mom to just flip out when she sees this bathroom.
I bet she will. I can't
will.
wait.
I'll
I
catch
will
you.
probably flip out.
Go see.
Okay. Oh my
wow.
goodness. Oh, my mom has always wanted a nice bathroom, and she's never had anything like this. My dad will love it, but she is going to be blown away.
So you got a nice little
Yeah.
tucked away toilet closet.
Yeah.
There's another walk-in closet right
A
there.
walk-in
Oh, wow.
closet.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
That shower, I love the colors on the tile.
The
It
tiles.
reminded me of like a oyster shell
There's
sort of
texture.
finish.
That tile isn't just flat.
Yeah. This one bedroom that was here that wasn't very useful for your
Right.
family
Right.
really serves this house well now. Once we
It does.
divided it into so
does.
many different spaces that your parents needed.
It's really impressive what you guys were able to tease out of this, kind of small footprint.
It's like the rest of the rooms in the house aren't even trying.
Right.
No, they're not.
Right.
Look at what this room
No
is.
one
Yeah.
works harder than this.
Nobody
room.
works
No.
harder.
So your parents' house was $100,000.
Right.
And then the renovation cost $95,000. So all in, it's at $195,000.
Yep. They worked so hard their whole lives. They deserve every bit of this.
I think so too.
And I cannot wait for them to see it.
Cheers.
All right?
Yep.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ben and Erin definitely gave us a nice little multi-generational home.
Beautiful. Yes, beautiful.
She says, you get to live here.
Can't believe that.
My parents and my grandma are usually really hard to please, but they are pleased. They are very pleased.
Every morning I get up, I can be here.
Yes.
She says it's beautiful. She says she has a suite. It was worth everything just to see her excitement, and everybody heard her excitement.
Yeah.
Mom, what's your favorite part of the bathroom so far?
The whole thing, the design was incredible.
I'm glad you love it.
Absolutely love it.